Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video about truncating numbers and the subsequent error intervals. So usually truncate is used in an exam question when somebody has looked at their calculator display and they have truncated a number, and truncate means literally to chop off. So if you truncate a number, you chop it off at a specified number of decimal places. You don't bother with any rounding, you just chop it off where it is. So if we had a problem where we said somebody had truncated their calculator display to 402.3, it means that they'd looked at their calculator display and just looked at the first decimal place and not bothered thinking about whether they needed to round it or not. And so we want to find out the error interval for this truncated number. What it means is when whoever truncated the number, chopped it off, looked at their calculator display, they could have seen exactly 402.3, or it could have been 402.35, or it could have been 402.30007, or it could have been 402.317962 blah blah blah, or it could have been 402.3999999. It could have been any of those numbers, because what happened was they just chopped the number off where the 3 was without thinking about any rounding. So what we need to do is think about, it can be any number, the number that was on the calculator display, that is greater than or equal to 402.3. But it has to be less than 402.4, because if you truncated that number, it would be 402.4. Okay, so that would literally truncate to 402.4, and that's not what we had at all. Okay, so putting these words into an inequality notation, 402.3, the number x is greater than or equal to, so remember the number is always the biggest one here. We're writing an error interval, so we're going to have two inequalities, and it is less than 402.4. This part of the inequality is always the number you're given. And it always has the equals bit with it. And this number is the given number in the question with 1 added to the last digit. And it doesn't have any equals sign there because it only just goes up to it. Okay, so just to recap then, truncate means that you are going to chop a number off. So whoever had the calculator display chopped the calculator display off at 402.3, and then we want to know, well, what could that number actually have been? It could have been anything in this range, 402.3 to 402.4. It could have equaled 402.3 exactly, but it could go up to 402.39999 recurring, and we would write that with an inequality sign as being less than 402.4. Thanks for watching.